Hey guys, Tommy from US Alternator. We've got a 30 kW diesel generator here by Generac. This is a John Deere powered Generac. Label here. This is a 120/240 single phase setup in its 30 kW configuration. This is under 300 hours. This is a weather enclosure with a 200-gallon double wall base fuel tank. You can see on here it's got the battery charger. Here's that John Deere engine. That 4024 as we typically see in these. Now with this weather enclosure configuration, we've got the outflow of the radiator and the exhaust, so there's no exhaust on top. And this does have the block heater. So you see this unit is in very good condition. We got this unit as just a tank and a generator, and we put this enclosure onto it. Output breaker is here. It is a 150 amp output breaker. And then there's also leak detection, which can be connected. And there's manual or electronic fuel tank level indication on this unit.